Okay, this video is designed to help anyone who needs help with how to fill out the notes that are in Tuesday's folder. First of all, once again, I want to apologize for all the hiccups with Google Docs and Schoology. A lot of folks are using it, and Schoology had to do something to sort of address the high volume, and so as a result, teachers' accounts were no longer linked. They did send out some information, and I shared that information with you about how to fix that, so I fixed it on my end. Please follow those instructions. I sent them through the updates and then also through Schoology messaging if you're having any further issues. And thank you once again for your patience. All right, so the notes are in the Tuesdays folder. So just to remind you all where everything is, we are in the green work during school closure folder. Open that up. We're in Unit 4. We are in Week 1. And the notes are in the Tuesday folder. So in order to fill out these notes, which I will show you here, this is a note document, and you should be able to access that now through this Unit 4 Week 1 notes graded due Friday. So when you click on that, it should take you to this, okay? And you have your own copy once you open it up. All right, so to fill out those notes, you're going to open up the Choose Your Own Learning folder. In this folder, you have an option of how you want to retrieve the information that you will use to fill out the notes. You can do it as a PDF of the PowerPoint slides, which a lot of folks prefer, or you can do it as video notes. In either case, there will be 4 items listed in each folder, whether it's video or PDF. And the reason for that is that the notes are divided by the section of the note sheet. So, for example, where it says Unit for Day 2, Notes Part A, that's for copying or filling out Part A of the worksheet. So in your worksheet, this is Part A, which is the background, key terms, etc. Now, when it comes down to Parts B, it's divided into 3 separate things: metals, ionics, and molecular covalence. So when you are going to Part B, which is this table, and you're filling out the metals column, so that's the first column is metals, you will use the information in this PowerPoint PDF, okay? So when you open it up, it will give you some basic information, tell you where to fill out the notes. It gives you some information on things that we've already learned in this case. And then it starts to give you the main stuff you need to know. What do you need to know for the notes? You need to know what type of atoms that will make up a metal. So in case of metals, it's metals only. You need to give 3 examples. So when I say give 3 examples, you can find the examples here. And then where it says the next item in that sheet is types of bonds. So here you would type metals. That's a type of bond. It's a metallic, or you can type metals. Now we're going into properties. So for the properties list, that will be listed on, you can scroll down, read each slide, and here it says properties. And they list them all for you, and they're pretty much in the same order as you would enter them here. The first property is a solid. That tells you the type of phase it is. So phase, solid, liquid, or gas. Here you would type solid. The next property that's listed is color, mostly gray or silver, so you can type in either one, gray or silver, whatever you prefer. Then luster is it shiny or dull? So you go back to the slide. What does it say? Oh, it says it's shiny. You type that in. Okay, so that's pretty much that. For honors chemistry, you're also going to use this information in where it says Part B. You use that also for Section C, and only honors chem has to do Section C. So when I say Section C of the note sheet, I mean this section. It's optional for fundamentals, but honors required. All right, so you're going to do that for metals. You would do the same thing for if you go back into the folder here, Choose Your Own Learning, you would do the same thing using that for the ionics, and then you do the same thing for the covalence. And again, it actually tells you what section of the notes you need to fill out. So when you get here, it says fill this section out. This is when you're using this. And it has some basic information, tells you the type of atoms it's made of here, gives you a CFU, then it goes into some properties. In the case of Ionics, the properties are sort of broken up. So I give you the first few and then the next few. All right. So once you've done that and submitted it, you can check this in Thursday's folder. It has the answer key to this. All right. Hope you found this video helpful.